tayo ng mga pang Sangyu. Pamart. Wala na doon eh. Inubos yung ay sa ano eh. Dali. Sunset, sayang di natin maabutan kasi gagabihin na tayo. Super ganda. Ang sikip. One way lang ata. Sikip ba? Isang sasakyan lang kasya. Wow, ang ganda ng sunset. Lapit na tayo sa Villa Aurelia Beach Campsite. Kanan Marine. Kanan. Yan. Yes, yo. We're here. Same. CR. Ang ganda ng CR nila, oh. Ang dami. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan ang shower. CR. Okay naman. Okay naman siya. Malakas naman ng water. Okay naman. Ganda ng sunset, oh. Wow, so nice the sunset. Malawak. Kami pa lang. Quiet time. Wait lang, hanap muna tayo ng area pala. Wow, ganda ng sunset. Ang lawak. Low tide lang siya ngayon, pero high tide siya sa umaga. Malawak. Kami pa lang ang tao.
Morning light begins to shine, golden colors through the pines. Hand in hand we walk so slow, where the peaceful rivers flow. The world is quiet, hearts are free. Just you, the stars, the woods, and me. Every breath feels fresh and new. Nature sings our love so true. No busy roads, no city lights, only dreams beneath the sky. Every moment feels so right, with you here by my side. We're camping under open skies, watching stars that fill our eyes. The fire glows, the night is bright. Holding you feels so right.
Malinaw. Solo namin yung campground. Kami pa lang yung nagka-camping. Grabe ang ganda dito, guys. Sobra tahimik, presko, walang masyadong tao. Goods naman yung dagat, malinaw, naliliguan. Tignan nyo naman. Itim lang talaga yung buhangin niya dito sa Kalatagan kasi gano'n naman talaga yung ano dito dagat. Pero naliliguan siya. Tapos doon may mga mangroves. Look. So nice. Meron din doon katabing resort sa kabila. Grabe, hindi maingay dito. As in, makakatulog ka ng maayos. Wow! Ganda. Dagat. Lama. Nandun yung parking, malapit lang. Nandun lang din yung public CR. I mean yung common CR. May shower, malakas ang tubig, malinis. Extend pa tayo, ma. Extend pa kami ng isa pang gabi. Goods na kami dito. O, diba? Doon tayo sa may mangrove. Later. Dito guys is 500 pesos lang per night. Yung ganyang kalaking tent, good for 4 to 5 person. Tapos yung parking free na. And entrance fee 300 pesos. So dalawa kami, 300 times 2, 600 plus, ay 400 lang pala yung tent, no? 400 lang pala yung siningil sa amin sa tent kasi hindi naman ganun kalakihan. So 1,000 per night lang kami, 2 packs. O diba, not bads. Not bads! Kaya additional pa tayo. Tapos ayun yung parking, malapit lang sa area. And kung makikita nyo yung common CR, marami siya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pinto. 3 shower, 2 CR, all goods, malakas ang tubig and malinis. Pwede pa dito, oh. Diba, ang lawak. Tsaka safe na safe ka kasi yung may gate na malaki dun bago ka pumasok. Dito yung entrance, dyan sila ate, tsaka sila kuya, yung owner nito. Yan. Pagpasok nyo sa lubungin naman nila kayo agad. O, diba? Tas may mga kubo. Yan. Grabe, solong-solo namin yung lugar. So nice. Simple lang yung setup namin kasi nga yung iba naming gears di namin nadalabi. Ayan. Ikaw no, baby girl, ikaw, I know. Taga dito ikaw? Taga dito, naglapit talaga ito nga. Taga dito ikaw? Ha?
Panghugas? Hindi ka naligo?
Yum yum.
Paingit mo na din. Paingit ka.
Hand in hand we walk so slow, where the peaceful rivers flow. The world is quiet, hearts are free. Just you, the stars, the woods, and me. Every breath feels fresh and new.
Sarap din ang coke talaga paminsan-minsan.
Mhm.
No busy roads, no city lights, only dreams beneath the
Excuse-
sky. Every moment feels so right with you here by my side. We're camping under open skies, watching stars that fill our eyes. The fire glows, the night is bright. Holding you feels so right. The mountains whisper, rivers shine. Your hand forever holding mine.
Subok ulit ako makipagkilala at ibinigay naman kaagad ng tadhana sa akin si PJ. Lima
Ba na yan?
Ano ba talagang gusto mong sabihin?
Oo, kahit mainit.
Ano yan?
Panira.
Leaves are dancing with the wind. Every sunset feels like home again. Every laugh and every smile makes this life so worthwhile. If tomorrow brings the rain, we'll still dance without the pain. Every season, every view feels like paradise with you. When the fire starts to fade, memories will always stay. Nature keeps our story bright. Every morning, every night, we're camping under open skies, where forever never dies. The stars above will always guide, as long as you're by my side. Every sunrise, every moon, every flower starts to bloom. Through the forest, through the years, I'll choose you through joy and tears. The fire sleeps, the wind still blows. The river softly always flows. Side by side, our hearts are free. Forever you, forever me. Ooh, la, la, la. Forever in the wild together. The fire sleeps, the wind still blows. The river softly always flows. Side by side, our hearts are free. Forever you.